Want tomatoes that actually taste like tomatoes? It all starts with the soil. If you're growing in containers, the right soil mix is make or break. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Tomatoes are hungry plants. They need loose, nutrient-rich, well-draining soil, not just whatever you find in your yard. Trust me, that bag of dirt in the corner, nope. For the best do-it-yourself soil, here's what I use. 40% organic compost, 30% peat moss, 20% perlite or vermiculite, 10% slow-release organic fertilizer. This combo gives you perfect drainage, great airflow for roots, and a slow, steady release of nutrients. Don't feel like making it yourself? Totally cool. I've dropped a few of my favorite ready-to-use organic soil mixes in the description below. Tested, tomato-approved, and beginner-safe. Just click on the Tomato City Jungle logo or the subscribe button for lots more video tips. Remember, great tomatoes come from great roots. Treat your soil right, and your plants will reward you. Like and subscribe if you're ready to grow smarter, not harder. And click the Tomato City Jungle logo for some great tomato soil mixes that can be shipped right to your door from Amazon.